This display is special to me. It's got a really unique finish that only this particular manufacturer has. It's called the Mercury series of finishes within their line. It is actually metal in the graining of a real wood veneer. So what you're seeing here is not a melamine, it's not an acrylic. This is true wood veneer with a proprietary blend of finishes that only this particular manufacturer has, giving the effect of literal metal inside the grain of this ash wood. In this particular cabinet, we had the interior lighting, the interior finished as the exterior is finished, as well as a bunch of display samples of what some of the amenities that this particular manufacturer offers within its line. In this cabinet, you will find a finished interior lighting that's actually been routed into the inside of the cabinet during the manufacturing process, giving a much cleaner look, but still allowing us to illuminate the inside of the cabinets. This is done using motion activated switches as well as push button switches that turn off and on as you open and close the doors. One of the great things about this particular manufacturing is the array of drawers that they have within their series and different lines. They have your standard everyday maple dovetail drawers. They also have some upgradable drawers, getting into like what you're seeing here, a walnut dovetail drawer. So here we utilized a walnut dovetail drawer as well as the walnut drawer with the stainless steel polished caps to show some different unique styles and flavors that this particular manufacturer offers. They also offer velvet lined drawers for your jewelry drawers. There's really nothing they have not thought of and put inside this line.